The views and opinions expressed in this program are those of the individuals involved and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of Radio Agri 90.1 FM management. The view
Formasyon, Radio Agri, 90.1 FM. Secured nation for everyone.
Magandang tanghali mga Karadyo Agri! We're back with another episode of Host Jam where live radio meets live music. Sa programang ito, sasamahan nyo kami sa halos isang oras ng live music jam. Para sa mga hindi po familiar sa aming programa, kasama po natin dito si Sir Monch ng AMD every other Thursday para haranahin kayo ng live music tuwing 12 to 1 p.m. On Thursdays na hindi natin makakasama si Sir Monch, we have our talented singers from our agency, Department of Agriculture, Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization. Dito lamang po yan sa Radyo Agri 90.1 FM, kasaganan para sa bayan. Before I officially start, we would like to greet our Director 4, Dr. Janisha G. Alvindia, to our Director 3, Sir Joel V. Dator, to our Chief of Applied Communication Division, Sir Elijah Z. Davalos, to the Section Head of STIPS, Sir Jet Molek G. Subaba, to the Section Head of STIDS, Mambes G. Magararu, to the rest of our Division Chiefs, to our hard-working staff, magandang tanghali po, happy lunch. To our drivers na nakabiyahe po ngayon, safe travels po sa atin. Our guards on duty and our utility workers, magandang tanghali po. Of course, to Ma'am Isis and Sir Ambon na laging nakatune in sa amin on air. And to Dr. Love na we are hoping to listen to us on air and online today. And without further ado, I will introduce to you my singer for today kasi po, since Sir Monch was with us last week, we will be featuring another artist from our agency today. So, let us welcome our Radyo Agri's very own Faydan Morales. Yay! Ayan. Faydan, mag-greet ka naman muna sa ating viewers, baka may isa-shoutout ka.
Ayan, shout out sa mga nanonood po sa ating Facebook page. Shoutout din sa ating mga ates and kuyas sa STIDS. Ayan, sila Ate Mayan, Ate Vane, and other favorites.
Ang ating favorites.
Yes, and also to my tita, belated happy birthday. And yun lang.
Ayun.
Sila mama pala.
Ayun. Tita, hello
Ayan.
po. Ayan. Siyempre, bago tayo magsimula, no, a quick story to why Faydan is our guest for today. Kasi kung hindi po kayo informed, we do have our set of singers na dapat humahalili kay Sir Monch with my program. Kaya nga lang po, for some reason, wala po kaming set of singers. And, just a teaser, this is my last few episodes as the host of Host Jam. Meron na lang po ako natitirang 3 to 4 episodes to host this program. And then we will be having a revamp for the hosting of our programs here in Radio Agri 90.1. So I will be handling lifestyle programs very, very soon. And our Ma'am Faydan will be handling our music programs. Ayan. So we will be still with Adhika. I will still be with Adhikanta.
Yes.
Pero Ma'am Faydan will take over Host Jam. So she'll be with you every Thursdays, 12 to 1 p.m. next month. Ayan. Meron na lang akong 3 episodes left. Sana ma-miss niyo ako. Huwag niyo ako mamimiss kasi si Ma'am Faydan naman ang papalit sa akin. Kaya, magti-teaser kami. Siyempre, dahil nga po napag-usapan na nakaraang episode na ang host ng Host Jam ay kailangan makakanta sa ating programa, bago po ako maging guest ni Ma'am Faydan, ay i-guest ko po muna siya as our singer for this afternoon. Afternoon na ba? Tama.
Yeah. Mahirap kasi
Ngayong
na ako
tanghali.
yung guest, ako yung host.
Yes,
Diba?
o kaya pangungunahan ko na po si Ma'am Faydan, ang ating featured artist for today. Ayan, ready ka na, Ma'am Faydan? So, i-introduce. Kinakabahan? Ano ba? Feel at home.
Diba?
Pero ayan, syempre, may comment tayo from Kuya Raymel. Kuya Raymel, umuwi ka naman na. Kuya,
Boss Ray.
Boss Ray.
Boss Ray,
sabi niya,
tugtugan na.
wow. Ayan, Boss Ray, abangan po si Boss Ray.
kasama rin yan
Kasama
soon.
ko po yan very soon. Ang dami iba pang artist, no?
Yes.
So, ayan, Tita. Tita Cherry is
Mama.
watching.
Hi,
Hello
Ma.
po. Ayan, panoorin niyo po mabuti si Faye. Siyempre, to our viewers online, like and share our live para maraming makanood kay Ma'am Faye. Ma'am Faye, please introduce your set list for today.
Setlist. Actually, yung setlist ko is random lang siya. Random ko lang naisip. Naka-base sa sa boses ko siguro. Kasi hindi ko kaya ng mataas. Pero I'll try. So, more on Senti. Senti. Bas, ewan ko, hindi naman ako broken-hearted, mga ka-Radyo Agri, no? Pero, ano lang, random lang. Mga naisip ko lang bigla na kanta. Yan. So, start na natin ang first song. Ang aking first song ay Perfect by Ed Sheeran. 1, 2. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you look a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. Oh, I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids when we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing
behind, dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. I would have never been an angel in person, and she looks perfect. No, I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. And to my next song, this is Tagalog siya, no? This is Pansamantala by Kalya Lily. 2, 3. Siya na ang mayaman, siya na ang may auto, siya na ang meron ng lahat ng bagay na wala ako. Di mo man sabihin, aking napapansin kapag nalagay ka sa alakanin. Heto na naman tayo, pansamantalang unan sa tuwing ika'y nahihirapan, pansamantalang panyo sa tuwing ika'y nasasaktan. Ba't ba sa'kin lang na iyang takbo? Sa tuwing kayo ay may akong dagdag karamay. Man tayo, hindi, di ba't hindi? Pansamantalang unan sa tuwing ika'y nahihirapan, pansamantalang payo sa tuwing ika'y nasasaktan. Kaibigan lang bang maituturing? Ang hirap naman yata mangapa sa dilim. Sino ba talaga sa amin ang iyong pansamantalang unan sa tuwing ika'y nahihirapan, pansamantalang panyo sa tuwing ika'y nasasaktan, pansamantalang unan sa tuwing ika'y nahihirapan, pansamantalang panyo sa tuwing ika'y nasasaktan, pansamantala,
Ayan, grabe naman ang setlist ng Ma'am Faydan na yan. What a way to open up our program. So, habang nag-water break po si Ma'am Faydan, magbabasa tayo ng comments kasi parang nag-e-enjoy sila masyado. Hindi naman ako yung guest. Bakit parang ako yung inaano nyo, ha? Wait lang. Sabi ni Ate Pesh, perfect, perfect. Sabi niya gano'n. And proud of you, sabi naman ni Ma'am Badet. Ay, si Kuya Jebo ang nanonood. Galing naman daw ni Dan Faye. Shout out Kuya Jebong. Ayan ha, baka sabihin mo hindi ka namin shout out. Tapos, Gian. Wag na yung comment ni Gian. Grabe naman tong mga to. Shout out kay Gian, Ate Pesh, and Zaira, and Ren na nandun ngayon sa Stips at nagla-lunch. And syempre, ang favorite ko, si Millet, ay nandito sa tech booth. Thank you so much, Millet, for assisting us today. Sabi ni Ma'am Gladys, go bebe, Ate Gladys loves you, girl. Everyone loves Faydan. Parang feeling ko naman walang hindi nagmamahal sa taong to. Grabe talaga tong, iba ang vibes ni Ma'am Faydan kapag kasama niyo po siya everyday, in fairness. Thank you so much, Ate Pesh. Naiyak ka na, Kuya Ray. Grabe na, wag ka masyadong emotional kapag ganito. Paano kang tutugtog dito niyan? Anyways, Faydan, ready ka na for our third song?
Yes.
Ready na si Faydan sa ating third song. Okay.
Ayan. Sorry po pala kanina sa may pansamantala. Nawala sa akin yung Nawala sa akin yung nawala sa akin yung tono nung sa pansamantala. Anyways, this third song is for my Swifties out there. Wow. As a Swiftie girly. And thank you po pala sa mga nag-comments. Anyways, ayan. This third song is called Cardigan by Taylor Swift. So, sana kayanin ko siya. Whew. 1, 2, 3. Vintage jean, brand new phone, high and soft, cobblestones. When you are young, they assume you know nothing. Sequin smile, black lipstick, sensual politics. When you are young, they assume you know nothing. But I knew you, dancing in your Levi's, drunk under a street light. I knew you, hung down to my sweatshirt, didn't mean to better. And when I felt like I was on a cardigan under someone's bed, you put me on and said I was your favorite. A friend to all is a friend to none. Chase two girls, who's the one? When you are young, they assume you know nothing. But I knew you, playing hide and seek and giving me a weekend sigh. I knew you, harped on the highline once in 20 lifetimes. And when I felt like I was on a cardigan under someone's bed, you put me on and said I was your favorite. To kissing cars and dancing bars was all I needed. You drew stars around my scars, but now I'm bleeding. 'Cause I knew you, stepping on the last string, walk me on the bloodstain. I knew you, tried to change the ending, didn't lose it Wednesday. I knew you, living like a floater, running like water. When you were young, they assume you know nothing. But I knew you linger like a tattoo kiss. Knew you'd heart all of my waters. The smell of smoke would hang around this long. 'Cause I knew everything when I was young. I knew I'd curse you for the longest time, chasing shadows in the grocery line. I knew you'd meet me once the thrill expired, and you'd be standing in my front porch line. I knew you'd come back to me. someone's bed. You put me on and said I was your favorite.
Yay! And that was Miss Faden's third song. Parang medyo hinihinga siya, so mag-water break muna tayo. And we are down to the last two songs of Ma'am Faden. Ayan. Mga Karadyo Agri, before that, don't forget to follow our social media accounts. We have Facebook, X, YouTube, and Instagram at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. And also, if you do have suggestions or questions or comments at kayo po ay nakikinig on air, you can text us via our text hotline 0962-119-7445. Uulitin ko lamang po 0962-119-7445. Of course, you're still listening to Host Jam. Dito lamang po yan sa Radyo Agri 90.1 FM, Kasaganan para sa Bayan. Ma'am Faye, ready ka na ulit to continue? We are down to our last two songs and I'm so very, very proud of you. Okay, let's continue.
Okay. Yan. So, this song, randomly ko lang din naisip. Pero, I dedicate this song to my friend Nicole CC, to our friend Nicole CC. Also, sa kanya pala tong ukulele, binigay niya sa akin. Thank you, Kuya Noel.
Very supportive, friend Nicole CZ.
Yes, thank you, Kuya Noel. Ayan, this is Hayaan by Cup of Joe. Wait lang. Wait. Wait lang Wait, guys.
Take your time.
Wait
Siyempre,
lang po.
no, kapag kaganitong on-air, we do have a little bit of technical difficulties and hindi po natin yun iiwasan. And syempre, shout out lamang kala Gian na comment ng comment. Ang mga kantang to ay hindi para sa akin. Baka para kay Frenical CC. Manapa, no? Frenical CC, Noel, where are you? Nasaan ba siyang Frenical CC, Noel? With Ma'am Best yata. No?
Sagad yan.
Nasa God. Sayang naman. I-replay mo na lang,
Anyways.
Frenical CC ko. This song is for you.
Okay. So, na-retain ko na. Nakalimutan ko na ito, no? Anyways, this is Hayaan by Cup of Joe. Di bumabalik ang mga alaalang kay pait. Muling naririnig ang mga salitang iyong nasambing. Nadarama muli ang mga yakap mo mahigpit. Kaya hayaan sana na ako ngayon mapag-isa. Isara ang pinto, ipatulo ang mga luha. Ipikit mga mata, hayaang maglakbay. Isipang gulo at di pa sanay na ika'y wala na, na ika'y wala na. Dahan-dahang sasanayin ang aking sarili. Unti-unting aangat, naghihintay ng tamang saglit. Hinay-hinay, wag naman sanang imadali. Kaya pagbigyan na ako ngayon mapag-isa. At wag nang mag-alala, sa tamang panahon ako'y babangon na. Ipikit mga mata, hayaang maglakbay. Isipang gulo at di pa sanay na ika'y wala na, na ika'y wala na. Malalim na hininga, damdaming ibuga, ibig ay hinihingi, hahanapin ang nakakubli. Pinaglalaban ko sana, ngunit wala na akong magawa. At aking ipikit mga mata, hayaang maglakbay, isipang gulo, at di pa sanay na ika'y wala na. And so my last song, so currently ako ay na-LSS sa kanta na to. So ito ay Saksi ang Langit by December Avenue. Wait lang. So
Before mag-proceed si Ma'am Faye sa last song for today, ang dami kasing comments. So, let's take this time to read comments muna, no? Especially to Tita Dan Cherry. Opo, yes po, anak ko po yan. Very proud, Ma'am. Di ba, Tita, nakaka-proud si Faye sobra. And from Ma'am Julie Ann Francisco Manzano, galing naman talaga, Faye Dan. Faye Dan's ninang. And sabi ni Ate Pesh, Faye, hands off. Ako nga pala ang mama niya. Yes, Tita. Siyempre, very, very proud. And then, Ate Angela, Lea Dela Rosa Ramirez. Shout out, Ate Angela. So, kailan naman po ang debut nyo sa aming mga musical program? Hinihintay po namin yung schedule nyo kasi alam namin very busy yung schedule ng mga ganitong klase ng singer. So, ngayon pa lang po nakikiusap na kami, Ate Angela. Kung kailan ka kaya mag-guest dito, ready na ang buong ACD at Filmic for you. Hay, total binasampulan mo naman na kami ng mga nakaraang events. Parang kailangan mag-debut ka na talaga ng kanta dito. Grabe. O, diba? Sabi ni Ate Pesh, waiting na mag-guest ka, Ate Angela. Sabihin mo, sino idol mo? Idol ka na, Ate Angela. Anyways, Ma'am Faye, ready ka na? Okay, for Ma'am Faye's last song.
again, so to my last song, ito ay Saksi ang Langit by December Avenue. Medyo mataas kasi, so nag-ready lang ako. Anyways. 1, 2, 3. Nangangarap lang habang kay pinagmamasdan, nagbibilang ng iyong hakbang hanggang ika'y aking mahagkan. Di sasayangin ang oras at pag-ibig mo, mas pipiliin kong ibigay lahat, pati itong aking mundo. Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim na bituin habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Wala na akong ibang mahiling, saksi ang langit sa'tin. Huwag kang magtaka kung bakit tayo pinag-isa. Huwag ka nang kabahan, ito'y hindi pa naging hitlan. Hindi gumagalaw ang oras sa paligid ko, pati nakatingin sa'yo. Wala na akong ibang mahiling. Saksi ang langit sa atin, saksi ang langit. 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 Hindi ko magalaw ang oras sa paligid ko, pati itong mundo'y tumitigil habang ako'y nasa tabi mo. Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Wala na akong ibang mahihiling. Saksi ang langit sa atin. Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Wala na bang ibang mahihiling. Saksi ang langit sa atin. Saksi ang langit.
Yay! What a way to end our music this lunchtime this afternoon. Grabe, thank you so much, Ma'am Faye. We really, really appreciate it. And please take your time to acknowledge everyone na nag-cheer sa'yo sa comment section
Ayan.
ngayon. Grabe, ang daming
Thank you
fans ni
po
Ma'am
sa
Faye.
lahat ng nagko-comments and all. Ayan, sila Ma'am Badet, Sir Kuya Jebong, Ate Gian, Ate Pesh, Ma'am Gladys, Kuya Ray, si Mama, syempre. And also, nakita ko nag-comment ang aking ninang. Hello, Ninang Joanne. Ayan, galing naman talaga. Also, to Ma'am Angela, nakag-usap kasi kami kahapon sila, Ate Angela. Sabi ko, manood sila.
Ayun.
Tapos sila yung next. Sila
Oo,
yung next.
ikaw na yung next, Ate
Ayun.
Angela. Naabangan ka talaga namin dito eh. Hindi namin palalagpasin. Ayun, meron ka pa bang gusto i-shoutout or good to go?
Okay naman na.
Okay
Thank
na. Thank you so much, Ma'am Faye. And of
Yeah.
course, thank you so much for tuning in on air and online sa aming program this lunchtime. And syempre, for all the love and support you've given, Ma'am Faye. Grabe, na-enjoy namin tong episode na to. Ayan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Faye, for spending your lunch break with us. It is an honor to have you on our show, and we really do appreciate you. And for the next few months, you'll be hosting Host Jam. Grabe
Yes.
na. And abangan niyo po yan because Ma'am Faye is really musically inclined. Ayan. Kaya mas mabibigyan niyo po kayo ng in-depth hosting dito sa Host Jam. As much as I love this program, I have to let it go and give it to Ma'am Faye. You'll be in good hands for the rest. Meron kayong last 2 to 3 episodes na pagtsatsagaan ako. And of course, don't forget to follow our social media accounts. We do have Facebook, X, YouTube, and Instagram at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. And to our listeners on air, we do have our text hotline 0962-119-7445. Uulitin ko lamang po 0962-119-7445. Of course, catch us next week here on Host Jam, where live radio meets live music. Thursdays, 12 to 1 p.m. only here at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. Kasaganan para sa bayan. Thank you!